A year and a half ago, I almost killed myself performing an escape. I drowned and hung myself and was rushed to trauma and was at death's door. This evening, I'll be at death's door again, quite literally. Let's begin. I'm being chained and padlocked to this door by the neck, by the chest, and by the waist. I'll have to use a single lockpick to make my escape. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, you realize this is lethal when you notice that over there is a bucket of sand. It is attached by a rope to a chainsaw. When the escape starts, the sand will leave the bucket will get lighter, and the chainsaw will get heavier, bringing it closer and closer to my face. I have to pick the locks and make my escape before the chainsaw goes straight through the middle of my skull. Ladies and gentlemen, judges, wish me luck. Start the saw, start the sand.
Matt Johnson, are you okay?